Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is the 90th lecture of mathematics, and in today's lecture we are going to start question number 13. Question number 13 is saying construct triangle XYZ such that xy is equal to 8 centimeter. I have written it here so that you understand that what are the given information. XYZ angle XYZ is 49 degree and YXZ is equal to 74 degree. So this is YXZ and that is 74 degree. In the first question they are saying that find the perpendicular bisector of XY. So let us turn our focus to the software and construct these triangles practically. This is the software, so we are going to use the information. They were saying that we are having what? We are having xy is equal to 8 centimeter. So let us we draw a line of 8 centimeter and that's it, and let us label it with x and y, and also I am writing that it is 8 centimeter. Secondly, we have to make an angle of 49 degree here. So 49 degree will be somewhere here. If I make a dot, so it will be here. Now I have to draw a straight line from here passing that dot, which is 49 degree, and let me label it as 49 degree. Then we have to make another, and that is the what? That is the 74 degree. YXZ is 74 degree. So 74 degree will be somewhere here. So let me connect these 2 points with each other. So if you see, this line is passing from that point, and let us write that it is 74 degree. Now wherever they are intersecting each other, we have to label it as a Z. So it will be Z not C, because the triangle is XYZ. Now what they want us to construct the perpendicular bisector of XY. So let us do that. The first of all, I have to draw an arc, construct a perpendicular bisector of XY. Yes, we have to make it like in the middle here and draw a an arc. So here I am drawing another arc, and similarly I have to put the sharp side on that y point, and then we have to make another arc here. Remove this and connect this point to this point. That will be the first point. Now, in the second, they are saying construct the angle bisector of x, y, z. The angle bisector. So, let us construct the angle bisector, and let me draw first a small arc here, and the second one is here. Now I have to put the here and then here, and draw another arc. Remove this and draw a straight line passing this intersection point. So this is the perpendicular bisector of this, and they are telling us that both the lines are cutting each other at U. So that is the U point. Now in the third part, they are saying the point U is equidistant from the points dash and dash. These are empty spaces. So first you have to write x and y. They are equidistant from x and y. If you measure this length and this length, they will be equal. You can confirm that with the scale. So in the first empty spaces, you have to write x and y, and equidistance from the line xy and yz. Xy and yz. So it will be at equidistance from this and from this line as well. So this U point will be equal to for these two lines, because there is an angle bisector, and angle bisect each other in equal parts. Okay, that was the whole story about the question number 13. Now let us turn our focus to question number 14. In question number 14, they are saying construct triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 10.2. AB is equal to 10.2. So I am drawing it as, so we have to draw 5.1, and then we have to label it AB, and this is 5.1 centimeter. Next information is AC is equal to 11. So 11 means 5.5. But before that, we have to draw BAC. BAC, and that will be equal to 62 degree. So this will be 62 degree somewhere here. So let us make a straight line connecting this point, and that is we have to write here that it is 62 degree. Now the next information is that we have to draw 11. So I will take 5.5, half of that. I will take 5.5 of this. So let me open this arm is 5.8 and make it lock, and then I have to draw which point 11 AC. So I have to bring it here and then make an arc and remove both of these. I have to connect this point with this. So here I am writing that it is 5.5 centimeter in my case. In your case, in the book, it is given as 11 centimeter. So here I have completed this, and let me do one thing, that label it as a C. Okay, that's it. Now the question is saying that measure and write down the length of BC. So let us make this as BC and let us measure it. And measuring it is taking a bit time because ruler is not in our hand, so I have to take it as 5.4 5.4, and you can see that it is r 5.5, you can say. So a 5.4 or 5.5. So it is with me, BC is equal to 5.4 centimeter. When you make it double, it will be 10.8. So if there is a very minor difference, then you don't have to be worried about this because it is quite acceptable. Okay, the second part is saying construct a circle at construct a circle of radius 5 centimeters. So I have to take it, how much? I have to take it 5.5. I have to take it 2.5. So let me open these arms as 2.5 because they are saying 5. So I am taking it as 2.5, bringing C is the center, and then drawing in a circle of 2.5. In your case, it will be 5 centimeter. So I am writing this line to be 2.5. 2.5. So let me write it as 2.5 centimeter is the radius. Then the question is saying construct, in the third part question is saying construct the angle bisector of ACB. So I have to construct an angle bisector here. First of all, I have to make an arc and then move the pencil. Oh, I not locked it, so let us make it lock. And then I have to bring this pencil at this location and draw. The next turn is to bring here and draw an arc. Next we have to put the tip of this arm here, and I will draw an arc here. Now we have to do what? We have to draw a straight line which is going like this from that point. and they are saying that this is intersecting AB at point T, and then they are saying measure and write down the length of ST. Now this is the S point where that perpendicular angle bisector is cutting the circle at S and line AB at T. So we have to measure this angle here. Let us measure it with this, and that is equal to 4.1. This is 2.123, so it is 2.3. ST is equal to 2.3 centimeter. With me it is looking that it is 2.35. It is 2.35 to be very exact. You have to make it double in case of you, so you will get the correct answer. Okay, that was the whole story about the question number 14. Now we are turning our focus to the advanced level question and question number 15. Now question number 15 is saying that construct triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 8.5. Let us draw AB is equal to 8.5 from here going all the way to 8.5. Let us label it as AB, and also we have to write 8.5 centimeter. Now let us draw the other. Here they are saying that BAC is 54, so BAC is 54 and 54 will be somewhere here, so we have to pass this from 54 and let us label it as 54 degree. Now next they are saying that the line AC will be 4.6. So let us open this as 4.6. 4.6 will be somewhere here. Then let us lock it in. Then I am making this as an arc of 4.6. I am drawing a straight line which is connecting this point, so I have to write that as 4.6 centimeter. Now we have created the triangle ABC, and now they want us to construct the point S is such that it is equidistant from ABC. Find and label that S point. So if they are n having an equidistance, so then we have to find the angle perpendicular bisector of these Let me put it here and make an arc here, and then you have to draw the second arc, and that will be somewhere here. So we have to connect this point with the straight line, and that will be from here to here. Okay, so now we have to make the second one, and that is the perpendicular bisector of BC line. So let us lock it and make this as BBC, and that will be somewhere here. Now I have to bring this to this point, and then we have to draw a circle, one here and one at the other point. So bring it here and draw an arc. Remove it, connect it with a straight line from here, and this will be the second one. Now I have to make the angle bisector of this two line. Let us make it a bit smaller, so we can construct the angle bisector at about the middle point. Lock it, and then you have to draw one circle here, and the second circle will be somewhere here. Now we have to put this line here, and then we have to bring this one as here. So similarly we can bring it one here, and then draw a line. Remove this, and then you have to connect this line and passing those two parallel line. So wherever all these three lines are intersecting each other, that will be the point S. So we have to write that this is the point where all these are intersecting each other. So that was the whole story about the question number 15. Now we are turning our focus to question number 16, and let us do that question as well. In this question they are saying that construct triangle PQR in which PQ is 8.3 centimeter. So let us draw a line of 8.3 centimeter from this area. 8.3 centimeter. Now we have to label it as PQ. So let us write P, and that will be Q. So right after this we have to write that it is 8.3 centimeter. 8.3 centimeter is the width. The second piece of information we are having is PR is 9.2, because we are short of the, so we will compensate it. You will see that it is not opening more than 9. So let us draw a line of 9, and that is equal to PR. So let us draw an RPR. It is 9. In the question, it is given that it should be 9.2. So we will compensate it, and you will see that how we will compensate it. But let us draw the next part, and that is the 7.9 centimeter. QR is 7.9 centimeter. So let us open this one is 9.7 centimeter, and let us move this and how much, and that is 7.9. So we can draw it till here and then lock it, remove this, and then put the here, and then bring it here. Now here you are seeing that it is this one, but for that we are we have to first let us make this open and increase this here. So now we have to draw a line which will be equal to 9.2. So if it is 9 and I have to draw a line from here, and that will go all the way to 9.2. So that is what I was talking, that we will compensate it. The arc is 9, but we went a bit beyond that line. So now I have to connect this line with that 9.2. So we have to write that this is 9.2 centimeter, and this one is given to us is 7.9 centimeter. Okay, that was the first step in construction of the triangle. Now in the question they are saying the point T is such that it is equidistant from PQ, PR and QR. Whenever they are saying equidistance from point A, B and C, then you have to find perpendicular bisector of the lines. But if they are saying they are equidistant from PQ, PR and QR, then you have to find the angle bisector, and let us do that. Angle bisector, we have to find one arc here, and the second arc will be here. Then we have to draw an arc at this position, and then having this will be equal to like this, we have to draw this line. Next, we have to connect this straight line with this. Similarly, we have to construct the angle bisector of this. First, we have to make an arc here, and then we have to make an arc here, and then we have to draw an arc from this point, and similarly an arc from this point. Okay, now we have to connect this line, and it will be at the middle. Now we have to find the perpendicular bisector of this point. So we have to bring the pointer first here, then we have to bring it at this location and make an arc, then we have to draw an arc here, and similarly we have to draw an arc here, and that is the whole story. Next job is to connect this line at this particular point. So there will be one point which is intersecting, and that will be the point which is I am making it as T. So that will be the point from where we have to consider that this point is equidistance from all the three sides. That was the whole story about the question number. The final question is question number 17. Construct a circle of any radius. Let us construct a circle of any radius. Let us construct a circle of any radius. That is the circle we have constructed. Next, they are saying that a chord of a circle is a line segment such that the end points lies on the circumference of the circle. A chord that passes through the center of the circle is known as the diameter of the circle. Draw a chord to your circle that doesn't pass through the O. So we are free to draw an arc. If it is passing, this is diameter, but if they are connecting two other points, then they are what? That is called chord. So we are having this chord. This is the center, and that is O. Our next job is the question is saying in second part, which is the final part of this exercise, construct the perpendicular bisector of the chord which you have drawn in 1. The perpendicular bisector should cut your circle at 2 points P and Q. So let us first draw the perpendicular bisector of this line. So let us make one this, and the second one is this line. Now we have to put it at that side and bring this and draw an arc here. Then we have to bring this, and we have to make an arc here. So let us connect these points from here, and they are like this. So they are saying that they are P and Q. So next they are saying should cut your circle at 2 points. What is the name given to PQ? So that is a diameter, because whenever a line is passing through the center of the circle and they are dividing the circle into two equal parts, so this PQ is diameter, and remember that this is the chord. So this is the chord and that is the diameter of that circle. That's it for today. Uh, Hopefully you have enjoyed learning these concepts. It is not difficult, but you have to do all these questions with the patience. So that is important. You have to do practice. Without practice, you are nothing. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.